Let's see. 2 words.
Okay.
Narrow.
Thin.
Small, thin.
Thin.
Opposite.
Big.
Fast.
Like that.
Opposite.
Wide.
Narrow. Wide.
Wide.
That's
Wide
one
turn.
word.
Okay.
Wide.
Sleeping.
Wide rest.
Wide bed.
Sleeping cot.
Wide bed.
Wide bed.
Wide berth.
Well, you get to go. You
That's
get
the
it
one.
again.
Another one.
You
Oh,
do it
but I
again.
didn't get a point
Yeah,
still.
you get a point. You get a point, and you get.
Wide
that?
birth.
She gets
Yeah, wide birth.
That's really
Difficult.
No, that's hard.
No, you should have gone for birth.
Oh,
B-I-R.
this is ridiculous.
Just try.
Try. How many words?
2 words.
First word.
Strange.
Weird.
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 Odd.
Strange face. Strange hands.
Animal.
Beast.
Armadillo.
Like a duck.
Platypus.
Pass it.
Pass it.
That's it. That's it.
Good job.
Duckbill platypus. Platypus.
That was
Okay,
tough.
2 words. First word. Opposite. Yes.
No.
No.
Okay, and this is the.
Way. No way.
Good one.